Let me wear the head first. I think it's good. I'm not going to unbox something big, but today I'm going to unbox few things that I found in supermarket today. And let's just get there. It's it's just a toothpaste which shows Batman. I'm a big fan of Batman, and everybody knows that I love Batman. So it says glow in dark tube inside. Yeah, and then it's also bubble fruit flavor. See, I hope it's focusing. So let's open it. I was just waiting for this video. I just started filming this video randomly so I could unbox and see my original reaction. Okay. Okay. Where is the tube light? Where is the tube light, man? Glow in dark. Okay, it's got some kind of texture here. Some kind of 3D texture here. So let me open it and see if it's really glow in dark. It smells like bubblegum. It's nice. I was looking for it. Yeah, it really tastes like a bubblegum. But I was hoping it should be pink, but it is green. Sorry, blue. See, that was it. And also one more thing. I got really disappointed with this, man. I just got Kinder Joy Spider-Man. You know, these are Spider-Man days. Spider-Man movie, brand new day came out. I watched that movie and it was good. It was, it was good. It was more than good. But I haven't seen the X-Men, so I couldn't relate there. So I'm gonna watch it again, maybe tomorrow. So I'm gonna feel it again, the intensity, the acting, the story behind it. So let's open this. I have seen the advertisement of this um, on the Instagram, and there was necklace inside or a pendant inside. There was very interesting stuff was inside. So let me just check. By the way, I have never bought myself a Kinder Joy. So let me open it quickly. I don't know how to open it. I think it's the eating part. Yeah, here we go. Here we go. What is this, man? What is this? This is some kind of booklet which shows Green Goblin. I think it's a sticker. I will use it on my phone right now. I will use it on my phone case. This is my phone case. I'm gonna attach it here. Is it really a sticker? I don't know what is it. It got some kind of cut. So let's do it later. First, get show you. Let me show you the gift. It has got this. Um, what are you doing here, bro? It is this, if you can see, and some parts with it. I was really hoping I will get a necklace or pendant, anything. I got disappointed, man. I'm not going to eat this shit. I think it's gonna fix like this, and then hold it like. Let me figure out. Um, this is something. What, man? But it's not that interested, man. See, it's not a Spider-Man. It's got some kind of kid which looks like Spider-Man. I think it's Spider-Man's nephew or maybe his brother. I don't know what the shit is. So I got disappointed, man. I will eat it later. That was all about today's video. And if you liked it, go and subscribe. I'm gonna unbox my newly got Converse sneakers tomorrow, and don't miss it. Go. I'm waiting. Subscribe. Do the thing, man.